than or shorter, right? So my question to you is, if she wants to strike on his face, can she strike on his face?
No.
He's taller than him. Are you with me? He's taller. Her Jodan. His Jodan. Her Jodanzuki should reach on the face. Yes? Or no? Yes. Jodanzuki always face, right? But practically, is it possible? So for her, this Jodan level is different. For her, this Jodan level is different. For her, this Jodan level is almost the same. Are you with me? But she wants to attack Jodan. She is on the street, she has been attacked, and the person is of different height. But she wants to attack Jodan. Is it possible? Or she has to change to Chudan? How many of you say it is possible? Please raise your left hand up. And how many of you say that she has to change right hand up? And how many of you say she has to run, you have to dance? Nobody. Okay, so she has to counter, right? She cannot run. There is no escape. When there is no escape, there is no surrender. There is no surrender. So, what should you do? Your Jodan is opponent Jodan. Keep this in mind. So you strike where your hand goes. You don't strike where the person is. Tomorrow you may have 7 feet. Is it possible for her to go 7 feet? Somebody has to lift her up and then she has to attack Jodan. But that's not possible. But even if this is your Jodan, this is your training level, okay? Your height, your target. So you take the target, right? So you should always train like this. So come on. Okay, so your Jodan is here Jodan. So now in this case, your Jodan can come anywhere here, but that's okay. You will be comfortable. Okay? So try. Hitch. Yes. Back. Your Jodan, target Jodan. Knee. And back. Got it? So, do you all agree that this is possible?
Yes.
So, what do you learn from this? Very important lesson.
You should do the best as per your capacity or in the target in front.
With due respect to everybody present here, I would say that you should focus on your strength and never focus on your weaknesses. In life, when we go ahead, we try to focus on our weaknesses. And we go in correcting our weaknesses, making them better and better and better. But we forget that we have strength where we don't look at. Okay? So always focus on your strength. Never focus on your weakness. Why? Because when you focus more and more on your strength, ultimately your weaknesses also get strong. They come on this side. Rather than you shifting your focus, you better stay there where you are. It is like, have you seen a dolphin? Excellent swimmer in the sea or in the river or in the ocean. But you cannot judge a dolphin's ability on its way it can climb a tree. Is that possible?
No.
A dolphin's ability can be only checked in the sea or in water, not on land. A hare's ability can be checked on land, not on water. So identify your strength and work on your strength. There may be one strength and there may be 999 weaknesses, but there is one strength. So if you ask me as a person, as an individual, I will choose one rather than 999. This is what I am. You are a different person. Everybody has a different value system. Everybody has been growing by nature and nurture. So you have to identify first. Like we have Siddharth, he is an MD and he has to do his surgery, right? But at the same time, he is going to stand there for say 6 hours or 5 hours or whatever. Ideally, he should be having strong foundation, right? But suppose he has a weak foundation, he is not a karateka, he has not trained what we train for. But still, if he is completely in his surgery and he builds strength there, slowly, by doing it regularly, this will be taken care of. This will be taken care of. So always identify your strength and have inclination towards making it better and better. This is how you should go. So this training teaches you that. You can relate this. Because when you move in life, when you go in studies, when you are in grades 5, so for example, the studies are different. But when you go in grade 9 or 10th or 12th or whatever, the studies are going to go, okay? Suppose you have an inclination towards history. Then you take things ahead in terms of history. You identify your strength and go towards that more. It doesn't mean that you leave other things, but you focus here more. When she trains, she has to focus here, her Jodha. But when she visualizes, she has to visualize that my Jodha, no matter if I hit here or I hit here, the impact should be the same. The impact should be the same. It doesn't matter if I'm hitting Jodha near, the impact low, no. Impact is the same. So, identify your strength and start working on your strength. Very soon you will realize that many negativities in your life have gone out. Just flushed out. Got it? So come on, train. First, but this is the center line. Please don't cross the center line, because this center line is what? An imaginary mirror. Mirror, kaach hai. If you hit the glass, what will happen? It will break. So don't break the glass, but reach closer to the glass. Reach, come on. When you go back, same. Follow the knee. Some. 3. 4. Reach. Knee, come on. Some. 3. Very good. 4. Reach. Some. 3. Come on. 4. Faster. 2. 3. Eat. Eat. Son. Cheese. Come on. Okay. Relax. Thank you so much. Wonderful.